So here question number A says a square plus 3ab minus 4b square. A square plus 3ab minus 4b square. Look, here we can use middle term method. So we can change 3ab in this way. A square plus 4ab minus ab minus 4b square. After changing 3ab into 4ab minus ab, we can easily find out the factors. So if we take a as a common factor, then we will get a plus 4b minus, here b is a common factor of these two terms. So minus b into a plus 4b. So what will be the final answer? A plus 4b into a minus b. That is the answer of question number A. Now question number B. Question number B says c square minus 4cd minus 21d square. So 21 can be expressed as 7 into 3 and 7 minus 3, that will be 4. So you can write c square minus 7cd plus 3cd minus 21d square. Actually, by using middle term method, we can easily find out the factors. So from this first two term, we can say c is a common factor. So we'll get c minus 7d plus from these two term, we can say 3d is a common factor. So what will be left? 3cd divided by 3d will be c minus it 1 will be 7d. So final answer will be c minus 7d into c plus 3d. Next one, number C. Number C says 2h square plus 7hk minus 15k square. So 15 can be written as 3 multiplied by 5 and here 2 is there. So we need to make 7. So 5 to the 10, 10 minus 3 will be 7. So here instead of this one we can write 2h square plus 10hk minus 3hk minus 15k square. So from first two term we can say 2h is a common factor, so we'll get h plus 5k. From the last two terms we can say minus 3k is a common factor, so we'll get h plus 5k. Okay, so what will be the final answer? Final answer will be h plus 5k into 2h minus 3k. And that is the solution of question number A, B, C. Now question number D. Question number D says 3m square minus 16mn minus 12n square. So here instead of 12 we can write 12 can be written as 2 into 2 into 3 and 3 is already there. So by using this idea we need to find out 16. Here 3 3s are 9, 9 2s are 18. 18 minus 2 is 16. So we can write 3m square minus 18mn plus 2mn minus 12n square. So here first two term we can write 3m is a common factor. So we'll get m minus 6n plus if I take 2n is a common factor, then we'll get m minus 6n. Now the final answer will be m minus 6n. After taking m minus 6n as a common factor from these two terms, we'll get 3m plus 2n. And that is the answer of question number D. Now question number E. Question number E says 3p square plus 15pq plus 18q square. Here we can take 3 as a common factor. So we'll get p square plus 5pq plus 3 6 are 18q square. Okay. Now instead of 6, we can write 6 can be written as 2 3s are 6 and here 3 plus 2, that will be 5. So 3 into p square plus, instead of 5 we can write 2 plus 3. So 2pq plus 3pq plus 6q square. Okay. Now here we can write p is a common factor. So we get p into p plus 2q plus from these two terms, 3q is a common factor, so we can write p plus 2q. So what will be the final answer? Final answer will be 3 into p plus 2q into p plus 3q. Look, number F says, number F 2r square t minus 9rt plus 10s square t. At first we can take t as a common factor of these three terms. So we'll get 2r square minus 9rs plus 10s square. Now t into here 10 can be written as 2 5s are, okay? 10 can be written as 2 5s are 10 and 2 is already here. So 2 2s are 4, 4 plus 5, that will be 9. So we can write 2r square minus 5rs, 5rs minus 4rs plus 10s square. Now t into, from these first two terms, we can say r is a common factor. So here we'll get 2r minus 5s minus, from these two terms, we can say 2s is a common factor. So we'll get 2r minus 5s. Okay. So what will be the final answer? T into 2r minus 5s into r minus 2s.